Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on nuclear energy and... Oh, Sandra, my nearly infallible assistant.
Intern.
Whatever. That's the sun up there, and I clearly stated that today's course is on nuclear energy.
It is. The sun is, in fact, a kind of giant nuclear power plant.
What? Why? I should have been notified of this. Who else knows?
Almost everyone, sir. And it's in today's script.
Well, I don't read scripts. They clog my nod, you know, with so many,
Facts and words, sir.
Exactly. That's why I have you.
Nuclear energy has to do with the center part of an atom, which is called the nucleus. The kind of energy that the sun makes happens when two of those parts join together. That's called fusion. The other kind of nuclear energy is made when atoms are split apart. That's called fission.
What? Sandra, I'm mortified. All these atoms getting split into pieces. I mean, what about their moms? Who's gonna name their kid Adam anymore anyway? This is horrible.
Atoms, sir. Nuclear energy involves atoms, not atoms.
Ooh, I just got an idea.
Oh boy. Here's the fast facts.
Fast fact number 1. Nuclear fission currently provides more than 1/10 of the world's electricity. Fact number 2. Nuclear fission creates radioactive waste, which can be dangerous if not handled carefully. Fact number 3. Scientists are working to figure out just how to make electricity using nuclear fusion, which does not produce radioactive waste. Sandra, I'm about to enter a nuclear power plant, and as luck would have it, a fusion test is underway. I hope I get a good seat.
Sir, that's a horrible idea. That sign reads, "Do not enter."
Oh, Sandra, I'm wearing this special suit. What's the worst that could happen?
The skin could melt off your body.
Whatever. Hey, looks like I'm the first one here. Ooh, such a pretty light. Whoa, it's warm in here. Hot even. Like, the surface of the sun hot. Like, skin melting hot! I'm melting! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.